Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by meeting 3 essentials so you can act immediately. An active Ecomdy account, a product CSV prepared with SKU, price, and inventory, and the Ecomdy Media app installed and connected to your store API key. Once done, import a small sample file to validate column mapping. This prevents bulk errors. Make sure to enable media sync in settings so images and videos link automatically. You'll now be ready to move into content enrichment and workflow automation. You begin enriching media by mapping CSV fields to Ecomdy attributes: title, alt text, tags, and variant links. This ensures search and accessibility. Then you batch upload images and videos, observe the 500 files and 2 GB limits so you can process assets in one run. Once uploaded, apply presets like crop, watermark, and format conversion to WebP for faster loading. As you work, preview changes in the staging view and approve a subset before pushing live, so you finish by running a staged sync to preview 50 products so you confirm how assets appear on product pages. After that, execute the full sync and monitor the live sync log for warnings like missing SKU or broken URLs. These are actionable immediately. If something goes wrong, use the rollback feature to restore the previous media state within 24 hours. One troubleshooting tip: if images fail to display, recheck CDN authorization and re-upload a single corrected file to validate the fix before full resync.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.